Lots and lots and lots of golden Buddhas here. Wow. So impressive. I love it. There's my wifey down there, Stephanie Claudia Robinson.
Hello, my beloved husband.
What do you think so far?
So stunning. It's made from gold.
Yeah, come in here.
Wow.
Have a look around.
Spectacular. For sure.
Yeah.
Wow. Unbelievable.
Look at the black one, baby, down the bottom.
It's gonna be the last one. So it's different. Black.
Check out this little guy, his own little bed. Hello, buddy. You're hanging out at the standing Buddha. I'll follow the monks. Here they go. They're gone. This concludes the little trip around the lying Buddha with my beautiful wife.
Oh, I love you so much, and I really love this trip with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
you always
how would
love to explore Thailand, my darling.
And how would you rate out of 10?
10 out of 10. Look at the architectural around here. So amazing.
For sure. Well, we'll see you again soon.
Yeah, for sure.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Esta mañana.
Okay.
Adios.
Adios.